You know, when you're a contractor, when you're a handyman, when you're an apartment owner, you want to be close to a Home Depot, you want to be close to a hardware store, you want to be close to Lowe's. And guess what? Oasis at Ballast Point is actually very close to Home Depot. And this is where I am now because I'm gonna check to see if they can do something for a pro service. So if you have a lot of construction or renovation for your apartment, it's good to have a good working relationship with one of the pro service guy in Home Depot or Lowe's, because if you have any problem, all you got to do, hey, you know, my pro service guy, this is what I need, A, B, and C. You can shop using the app of Home Depot or Lowe's. It makes things so easy and so fast. So I'm checking out to see Home Depot here to see if we can work something like that, a pro service in my neck of the woods in Pennsylvania. So because everything, when you have property, speed to repair, speed to maintain is the key to having a new tenant either satisfied or a new tenant move in. Take care, guys. I'm inside.